Traditional Chinese Botanical Formula. This unique conditioner combines GIOVANNI's eco-chic technology with the most powerful traditional Chinese botanicals to help to soothe dry, itchy scalp, preserve hair elasticity, strengthen roots and restore shine. Promote healthy hair growth. With antioxidant Ginsenosides from Panax ginseng and mulberry fruit, GIOVANNI Wellness System Conditioner relaxes and moisturizes hair and scalp, increasing circulation to roots and promoting healthy hair growth. Color safe. GIOVANNI's Wellness System Conditioner is 100% color safe and nourishes hair with a proprietary blend of vitamins and antioxidants without stripping color. Vegan-friendly, cruelty-free. GIOVANNI products use a number of organic ingredients and are Leaping Bunny certified cruelty-free. GIOVANNI products are never tested on animals and come in sophisticated recyclable packaging. Lauryl laureth sulfate-free. GIOVANNI products do not contain harsh chemicals commonly used in regular beauty products, leaving you with strong, beautiful hair. GIOVANNI's Wellness Conditioner combines traditional Chinese botanicals with the highest quality Western ingredients that energize your hair and scalp, to soothe a dry, itchy scalp, strengthen tresses and help hair's elasticity. With the powerful flavonoids found in proanthocyanidins and the elements in Rhamaniae radix, this paraben-free formulation delivers an effective supplement that conditions and seals in moisture, reviving each tress to help rebuild youthful elasticity. Uses Chinese botanicals known to be beneficial for hair and scalp. Scalp follicle-focused holistic formulation. Soothes dry, itchy scalp. Strengthens hair roots. Deep nourishment for healthy hair. Top reviews from the United States. The absolute best conditioner I've ever tried. I am African American who's on a journey of returning back to my natural hair. This is the best conditioner I've ever used. I stopped shampooing my hair due to the breakage and tangles it had caused, as well as the drying effect it has on my hair. Once I started using this, I was instantly hooked. It shocked me at first because once I applied this to my hair it has a lather similar to shampoo, so I had to read the bottle to make sure I didn't receive a shampoo instead of conditioner. Sure enough, it was conditioner, lol. This stuff leaves my hair so freaking moisturized it's insane. 4C hair here, lol. With that being said, I am now and forever a GIOVANNI hair chick. Peas, I didn't receive this product for free just to write a review. This is my honest opinion and experience.